Oh, hello. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks. You're dressed for running. Are we going running today?
Yes, I'm going out running, but you're not.
What's that in your hand?
This box here.
Yes, that box.
This is nothing.
Are those new trainers?
In this box, that says that brand. These are not trainers.
You're lying. I know you're lying, because you only wear that top when we're going running, and...
Yes, I've got something to tell you. I'm going to be retiring you. These are your replacements. You'll probably never meet. So yeah.